All right, we move on to speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a game you enjoyed playing when you were younger. So please, over to you.
I was enjoyed a lot of games when I was younger, especially hide and seeks and Ludo. They were my favorite games, and my friends and my family members, like my sister, cousins, also enjoyed that game. My actually my father was a government servant, and there were a lot of huge government society, and we played this game in the society, and we lot of enjoyed the society because there were a lot of hiding sports, and especially when in this, summer vacations, my cousins and my family members came there, and we enjoyed these games because this is a government society's reason that we played this game hide and seeks and enjoyed this game.
Okay, 47 seconds only. Whereas in actual exam, you have to speak for minimum 1 minute and
Yes.
maximum 2 minutes, okay?
Yes, sir.
And secondly, there are issues with grammar. You're adding S with the words where you don't need to use that. So
S.
S. So you should avoid that. And try to brush up your basic English grammar, especially tenses.
Okay.
It'll be fine. Only 5 tenses you need to learn for IELTS. Present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Now, we move on to speaking part 3. What kind of personality should a person have to be able to take risks? A risk taking personality. So, what kind of personality is a risk taking personality?
Sorry, sir. I
All
don't
right.
understand.
Do adventures expand your horizons?
No, sir.
In part 3, they ask such type of questions, okay? So you have to prepare part 3 very well, and for part 2, you need to improve your grammar. Looking at your overall performance, I'll rate you at 4.5, but you can improve it,
Okay.
right? Thank
Thank
you.
you.